So now let's take a look at calculating the average daily rate. And remember, we're going to take all of the rates and divide them by how many rates we have, and that's how we're going to calculate it. So let's take a look. It's room revenue divided by the number of rooms sold. Room revenue divided by the number of rooms sold. Room revenue divided by the number of rooms sold is how we calculate ADR.
So here's an example. Let's say we have a hotel and their room revenue for Monday night was $27,893. And on that particular Monday night, that hotel sold 188 rooms. So to calculate that, remember it's room revenue divided by rooms sold. And we're going to pick 27,893. That's the room revenue. And we're going to divide it by 188 rooms sold. So again, it's 27,893. And we're going to divide it by 188. So that's 27,893, the revenue. Divide it by 188 rooms. And let's take a look at this one in our first finance piece calculation. Let's take a look at that one together on a calculator.
So as we take a look at this one, we're going to go ahead and input the dollar amount that was sold, the revenue, $27,893. And we're going to divide that by the number of rooms that was sold, which is 188 rooms. And that gives us an answer of $148.36 with a lot of numbers after it. And we'll talk about that in a minute. And let's take a look at that same calculation again.
It's 27,893 divided by 188 rooms sold, and that gives us $148.36 and a little bit of change after that. And we'll talk about how we're going to handle that, but we're going to take our numbers out to the second decimal point. So as we take a look at it, we get $148.36 with a lot of information past it. Right? We're focusing on the second number past the decimal, $148.36. That 7021276, all of that stuff does not matter. The answer is $148.36 as the average daily rate.